Hello princesses! Today I'm going to be doing my January beauty haul. This is going to be a weird video because it's going to have to be in two parts. Why? Because I didn't pay extra for faster shipping for IBuyBeauti and the package is not going to arrive in time, so I have to send it to my parents' house, which is where I will be when the package gets there. So to stop myself from just bringing everything with me, which is ridiculous, I'm just going to film two separate videos. It makes more sense that way, and it stops me from carting so much stuff in the summer weather. Like, I don't want everything to melt. That's just silly. It's just going to be two different me's. So me from now and me in the future. So as per my minimizing shipping costs and shipping emissions, I have only ordered from 3 stores. These are actually all from Black Friday sales. I ordered from Yesstyle, Roseroseshop, and IBuyBeauti. I was going to order from Trend because I needed a few skincare items, but it was cheaper to order the Trend items, Klairs and I'm from Yesstyle, because of that 25% discount off the prices already. I have ordered so much stuff from them recently. I have like the gold tier membership and I get 10% off, so that makes the products cheaper. If you would also like to be a gold tier person, I think you have to spend like over a certain amount. I don't actually know, but the way that I did it is that I reviewed all the items that I got. So I would buy things that were on sale that were cheaper than other stores because I'm really good at comparing items. I would buy them and then I would review them and get style bucks, which are like your points, and then it builds you up, and so you get coupon codes. So you get like a $10 coupon off like orders over $80, so that's a great discount, and then you also get 10% off everything as well. So you can stack your coupons, so you can use your 10% off everything as well as a $10 coupon. And then on Black Friday I had 10% off everything, and then they did a Black Friday 15% off everything, so I got everything with an extra 15% off the prices that they already had. So it actually made things so much cheaper. Plus I got free shipping from Yesstyle, and it was DHL shipping, which means that it took under a week to get to New Zealand. So it was legitimately just a better deal. So speaking of Yesstyle, let's just go straight into all of the Yesstyle items because that's what I've got up on my computer right now. I picked up another one of my favourites, ye old Dolly liquid black eyeliner. Oh, I love this eyeliner. I purchase them all of the time. I usually buy them in a Japanese beauty store in New Zealand, in Auckland. It's in the Atrium on Elliot Mall, and they're about 20 New Zealand dollars, but they only sell them with a mascara, and I hate mascara. And it's $20 for both of them, 20 New Zealand dollars. I got this one for $10 US and 4 cents. I can't figure out if this is after discount or before discount. That is before discount, so then I got 25% off that. So see what I mean? Like, it's a good deal. It's a good deal. I got a Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Cream, but that wasn't for me. That was for Emily, my sister, who really needed another moisturizer. She adores that one. I also adore it, just not for summer. It's a bit heavy for my skin in summer, but she has like chronically dry skin, so that is her new lifesaver. I did purchase a Klairs item. I got the Klairs Supple Preparation Facial Toner. I use the scented version. Why? Because it smells nice and my skin doesn't mind having scents on it. I haven't opened this one yet because I'm still finishing up my... I can't remember the name of it. I have so many products and it starts with N. Nacific. I'm finishing up the last of my Nacific Rose Toner, and then I will be replacing it with this one. I love this one. It is like a holy grail for me. Seriously, I just keep repurchasing it. This one, the listed price is $15.83 US, so that is this one there. I also purchased another holy grail, which I absolutely love, and I forget how much I love it until I get it again. The I'm From Ginseng Serum. This is heavily scented, and oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. I hated it to start with. I really disliked the scent when I first used this. This was originally a product that was provided for review by Trend. I loved it so much that I got another one last year, and I loved it so much that I got another one this year. I pretty much like buy them on Trend's Black Friday sale because they were a lot cheaper, so they're half price there, but it's really cheap on Yesstyle, so I'm probably going to just buy them on Yesstyle from now on. I have discount codes for both Yesstyle and Trend if you guys want to use them. They will be linked in the description bar down below. Yeah, if you want to use them, feel free. I think the Yesstyle one is only like 5%, but it gets you started, so you start building the points from there. But I absolutely love this. It makes my skin so plump, so moisturized. I notice a difference from day one of using it every time I pick it up again. So I love it. Just, oh my god, yeah. I got a new product that you guys had recommended. So this is the Isntree, I think. It's got a like ampersand in the Yesstyle product description. So it's either Isntree or Isntree, I don't know. It's the Hyaluronic Acid Toner. This one contains a 50% hyaluronic acid to deliver moisture to the skin instantly. I have been using a little bit of it and I haven't formulated any opinions as of yet. I've been having really dry skin lately, so I'm wondering if this is working in a negative aspect for me because the rest of my skincare might not be as hydrating as it needs to be, because I've been using the last of the products that I've had that I don't want to waste but also don't really like that much. That sounds horrible, but that's just the way it is. So I haven't got any opinions on this yet, but you guys did ask me to review it, so let me know if you would like to see it maybe in some sort of skincare routine. Yeah, I got these absolutely adorable minis. This is the EtudeHouse Tiny Twinkle Mini Mirror Holic Ornament Collection. So it is a set of 3 teeny tiny travel highlighters. They're not highlighters, they're liquid eyeshadows, my gosh. So I am wearing PK003, which is the rose gold at the moment, and oh my gosh, I love them so much. They are on par with the Holic Eye Metal Glitters. Absolutely adore them. Review coming soon if it's not already up yet. I haven't done a schedule because I'm useless. I picked up this absolutely gorgeous eyeshadow palette. This is the EtudeHouse Tiny Twinkle eyeshadow palette in Rose Gold Ornament. It is a really nice size, so it's basically palm sized. It is a full glitter outer, which this isn't doing justice. It is kind of like that rough glitter though that you can feel. It has a really lovely huge mirror, and there are the colours there. There are some that I absolutely adore. I love the shimmery glitter shades, so the 2 glitters there and then the 2 shimmers, actually the 3 shimmers there are really beautiful, but the mattes are not that great. I'm going to be fairly honest there. They're really patchy, they're really hard to work with, which is a shame because it's you know, you kind of need the mattes for your transition colours. I have very little use for such a dark brown there or a burgundy colour. I think that they are nice, but for me they're not really, they don't live up to those other shimmers and glitters. These satin shimmers are beautiful though, oh, gorgeous. I got from the same collection the EtudeHouse Tiny Twinkle. These are the mini pearl drop base kit, so there are 3 pearl drop bases. I have yet to try these out properly. So far I know for sure that I like the white one. It works beautifully under makeup and it works great on top of makeup as a highlight. However, the pink one, if you use it under makeup or if you use it over the top as well for a highlight, it's very glittery, so you just end up seeing sparse glitter particles all over your skin, which for me is not great. So I need to have a fiddle with these ones. I haven't tried the purple one yet, so these are still in the testing phase at the moment, but very cute. Very everything. I love minis. Oh my gosh. And then I also got the collection of the EtudeHouse Tiny Twinkle limited edition Demo Blooming Lips Talk Velvet Mini Kit. There are 10 lipsticks. These are just the glitter ones, which I think are so cool. That one's got extra lipstick on it. They are tiny though, it's the size of the tip of my finger. There is very little product in these. However, they are absolutely adorable and have a very interesting wear time. So review for these also coming probably quite soon. There's also the other colours. So the other colours are the velvets, and they are really cool. It's a really interesting formula for these. So yeah, I'm still on the fence. That is all that I got from Yesstyle. My other order was from Roseroseshop. So I got a little kit of the COSRX PHA products. This is the low pH PHA Barrier Mist by COSRX. This so far hasn't been overwhelmingly successful for my skin. The mister is so light that it feels like absolutely nothing on my skin. I literally have to get it so close to my skin to even feel the product going on, so I'm not absolutely 100% sure on that one. And I also got the PHA Moisture Renewal Power Cream. This is just a really lovely lightweight moisturizer for my skin. I am kind of curious as to if I could over exfoliate my skin with this one, being that I can't find anywhere on the product descriptions to say that you should limit your use of this. Can I use it during the day? It's a PHA, probably not. Should I be using it only every second night? I don't know. It smells like an acid, so it smells like an AHA. It is a PHA, so it is part of that family, but yeah, I'm on the fence with this one. I think it is a really lovely moisturizer. I'm just a bit skeptical of the fact that I'm probably going to over exfoliate my skin at some point. I got this beautiful box of PERIPERA Ink Velvet Mini Lipstick The. I don't know why that says The. I think it probably needs to say version something. And there's 2 minis. I don't know why there's 2 minis in the name, but these are tiny little lipsticks like the EtudeHouse ones. so similar to the EtudeHouse ones that I feel like they're the same thing. They have very similar packaging. The PERIPERA have the names on the outside and then the very, very tiny lipstick. So far I've only tried one because I picked this package up yesterday. I've got one of the colours on my lips. It is the Self Joy Coral colour, and I think it's a really pretty colour. Don't know much about the formula so far, so these will be up for review at some point this year, some point this month, not this year. Oh my gosh. I got 3 more heart-shaped blushes because, like, how could I resist? These are from the THESAEM and they are the Overaction Little Rabbit. So there are 3 colours and there are 3 little pictures on the outside so you can tell them apart. Packaging is gorgeous. I am wearing shade number PK01 today. It's very, very sheer, but I did find this one a little bit hard to use. So I'm going to have to go through and trial out all of the methods of applying these before I review them because I'm just not 100% sure. They definitely weren't as easy to use as the IBuyBeauti, which has a thinner, more like silicone-y texture. These are a little bit thicker and creamier. They do smell really nice though. I don't know what it is, it's like baby powder or something. Like, I can't stop sniffing them, I'm so gross. But yeah, heart-shaped blushes, adorable. Again, I will be doing the limited edition stuff first in January. I don't know when everything is going up. I don't know when this video is going up, depends on when the other package gets here. But I will try to review these in January. Also, I think I have enough stuff to review. And then the last ones I'm just going to keep in their little tray because I've put them nicely in this little tray. These are the EtudeHouse Lovely Cookie Blushes, and these are the new colours. So there are a couple of colours that are repeats, but I swatched them next to my ones, and unless my ones have gotten like sun bleached, they are not the same colours. So PK001 is called Strawberry Chew. My original ones, it's PK002 that's called Strawberry Chew, and the PK002 on that one is much lighter than this. This is darker. So the colours do not seem to match up. I am missing a couple. Some are in the IBuyBeauti basket and some are actually, it's only one, I'm missing one. I'm missing RD301, which is a red dragon fruit. Both stores declined to give me that one. They were out of stock. So yeah, we'll see about that. I'm gonna have to find it from somewhere. It's like in stock in 21 days on Yesstyle, but that means that it's probably not there. So I will be reviewing these, but it may be later on in the month or maybe in February by the time I get everything else sorted. I do not want to review them when I'm missing one. It annoys me so much. Considering they're a more recent release, they should come back with more colours, and not more colours, more like actual stock of the products. They shouldn't be out of stock this quick. So now I'm going to pass you over to Becca in the future with her IBuyBeauti haul. So I'm obviously in Gisborne and I've got the second half of my haul. So this box is from IBuyBeauti and they got a little bit ruined in the post, of course, and there's only a small amount of products in here because IBuyBeauti did refund 2 of the blushes. So I have 3 of the EtudeHouse Lovely Cookie blushes. I have got the Peach Parfait, which is shade number 10, which looks exactly the same as the other one. It should have letters on it, so I'm pretty sure that this is probably old stock. There is the Sweet Coral Candy, which is OR202, as well as the Apricot Peach Mousse, which is OR201. This one does look a lot like the Peach Parfait that I have at home, so considering it doesn't have the same number system on the back, so they should all have like OR20 something. This has got number 10, which is the old code, so I think this is actually old stock, which is really disappointing because it is supposed to be the new ones. You can also see that the outers are different. So this is what they used to look like. So this is Peach Parfait, that's kind of upside down, but it's okay. It's got a very pink bow and a different little emblem, and then that is the new ones. So it's got a darker bow and a different emblem on the front, so that is extremely annoying. I then picked up a foundation. This is back to front. It is the EtudeHouse Double Lasting Cushion Foundation, and I got it in the same shade as I have the regular foundation, which is Y03 Ivory. And I'm really, really hoping that this is the same colour. I haven't tried it yet and I didn't bring any other foundations with me, which is why I have no makeup on today. But I'm also on holiday and don't really care. So this is what the packaging looks like on the outside. It's pretty boring. It is a very sleek black on the inside with a black cushion puff, and the shade itself does look quite promising. Like I said, I actually haven't swatched it yet. It has oxidized from when I opened it the first time though, which is really strange. It was very, very pale to start with, but we will see how this goes. And then the last items I got are from LABIOTTE. These are the Momentique Time Shadows. So there are 3 different shadows and they are different times. So they have 11 o'clock, 3 o'clock and 7 o'clock. So they're just basically different times. And then the packaging, it looks like a little wee watch, which I think is really, really cute. There are 3 shades in each of them, so it just is divided up into little thirds. And I haven't tried them yet, but they do look really nice. They are a bit darker than I was expecting. So this one is 3 o'clock, which I think they are really, really cute. So that is it for my January beauty haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I've got. Please let me know what you would like me to review for the year. Please bear in mind that in New Zealand it takes me a long time to actually get the products to me. I can't just go down the road and purchase anything. So please let me know what you would like to see, and if lots of people would like to see it, then I will definitely review it. Otherwise it will sit on my list until I am ready or it's a good deal. Sometimes I buy things just because they're a good deal. Yeah. But thank you so much as always for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!